The product zone. Today we're gonna unbox and test out this amazing projector clock with a RGB light, colorful and display projected on your wall or ceiling. It's a 180 projection. It comes with a 10 night light, which is the RGB. Has a USB charger. Comes with 11 different type of LED colorful display light. You got auto dimmer, 5 level of the volume, and alarm clock. A lot of stuff about this. Listen, this is a clock that you need. If your room is dark, this is what you need. It can work as a night light, alarm clock, every single thing with all the different color of lights. It's amazing. So what's in the box? We have an instruction right here, a full book breaking down everything, how to use it. We have a USB charger and this and the head part, which is a plus. You could take it out and change whatever you want. Pretty good. And this is it right here. You can see the reflection is like a mirror glass. Pretty cool. And this is a 180. This is where it's going to project right here. It's very lightweight, really good. Comes with a nice stand right here. And you can see all the buttons. You could set the time, the zoom, the volume, every single thing. And then we got a back. Look like it comes with a battery from the back too. So we could get some time from the back, but we're also going to plug this in. Right here on the side, we have an input, we have output 2, and output 1. We're going to plug our charger in here. So far, you can see the bottom of the LED lights at the bottom right there. It's outstanding. This is great for you, for your work. It's great for the kids if they're going to school, college and stuff. It's very colorful. And then we're going to rotate this. You guys can see it. All right, we're going to rotate the projector and you could see you could go all the way up. All right, so we're gonna project this all the way up to the ceiling, and look right there, it's up on the ceiling. It shows big, it's clear, you could see it perfect. This thing is pretty good. Listen, you could set the time, set your alarm, it's loud enough. The other thing we're gonna do right here, I think we could change the colors. Whoa, you see that? That's amazing, literally amazing. Blue, you got deeper blue, you got pink, you got green, you got all different type of colors. See that? This thing is outstanding. It's like a half and half, two-tone color too. Incredible. Overall, it's a really good alarm clock with all the LED lights, the projection. It works amazing. Check in the description box for price and detail. I highly recommend it.